What's up? So at our first job, and we're doing tile. You're gonna like this one. This is gonna put our chemistry to test. I'm using carbon detail. Everybody knows that. So let's see if how good this stuff really is, right? So you see our black grout here? It's not supposed to be black. Yeah. There's barely any room in here to show what the natural, or any areas in here to show what the true color is supposed to be, but over here is close, but still has to come a lot lighter. What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. So I got the pre-spray mixed up, got my new toy here, the multi-sprayer. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these things are kind of expensive, but everybody knows I hate pump-up sprayers, and the whole pump-up thing, you know, kills me. So when you get this, it comes with another one of these jugs, so it's like having two pump-up sprayers, right? It's got to change out the jug, and then you get some good spray going on here. Still, this is actually my first time using this thing. So this thing, let me turn it on. So yeah, spray's good, right? This is gonna be for my like tile and for spotting, enzymes, deodorizing, you know, that type of stuff. And yeah, I'm glad I got it. It's gonna make things a little bit easier, and actually it's can save space too, you know. It just kind of tucks up against my other my shelving and stuff, and out of the way. Pump up sprayers I don't like, and this thing right here actually charges from your car battery. So this is the wireless one. You can get a corded one too, but this is the cordless. So anyway, we're gonna get started on this. I'm not gonna bore you on my new toys, but yeah, let's see how well we can get this. I'm gonna pre-spray. We're gonna pre-scrub. Forgot my other scrubber with the harder brushes, but we can see how the Namco does on pre-scrubbing. All right, stay tuned. So the machine's gonna do all the middle. So the machine, sometimes with my other machine, it goes against the walls a little better, but it always helps to get a good scrub along the outside corners, because if you don't, you're gonna have to go back when you're done and do a bunch of hand detail. So a good scrub, and then all you need is a little wrench, and it works out good. Look at that. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. Quieter than my old machine. Just waiting for the heat to heat up a little bit, at least to about 150, and then I'll start extracting. There's some areas in here, especially in here, that we were thinking maybe it was color drought, but we think it's actually hairspray that's been built up. Because the rest of it's fine, it's just right around this area. So that's a new one for me.
What?
finished up. You can tell the areas that are drying up already, little pockets. You can see what that's gonna look like. So tomorrow, everything should be all dried up. Grout, it takes a while. It's very porous, so there's a lot of moisture in there, so it takes a lot longer than carpet to get fully dry. But within an hour or so, half hour, be able to walk on it. We'll go across this thing with the microfiber, get more moisture off of it. And you can leave fans and stuff like that. I just kind of base it on every scenario. You know, if the customer wants to get on there right away, or say I'm gonna seal it, then I'll put fans on. Otherwise, I usually don't fan it. I just use it microfiber, pick up as much moisture as I can, and it dries real quick. So you can tell that carpet detail kicks butt. So don't let nobody fool you.